In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as PDF in WPS Writer. By the end, you'll confidently turn any WPS Writer document into a clean, shareable PDF while keeping your formatting intact. Start by opening WPS Office and loading your document in Writer. Make sure the content looks the way you want it to appear in the final PDF. Check headings, spacing, page breaks, and any images or tables. PDF preserves what you see on the page, so a quick review now saves time later. Next, look for the main app controls. Depending on your device and version, you'll either see Tools, Menu, or File. On desktop, these are usually at the top of the window. On mobile, you might find a 3-line or 3-dot icon near the corner of the screen. Open that menu to access export options. Choose Export to PDF or Save as PDF. The wording may vary, but both lead to the same result: converting your current document into a PDF file. When the export window opens, you might see options like page range or quality. If you're unsure, the default settings are usually fine for most documents. Now pick the folder where you want to save the PDF. Choose a location you'll remember, such as Documents, Desktop, or a project-specific folder. On mobile, you can also pick device storage or a connected cloud folder. It's a good idea to keep everything for one project in the same place so it's easy to find later. Rename the file if needed, give it a clear, descriptive name, and make sure it ends with BPF. Avoid unusual symbols in the file name to prevent any saving issues and make the file easy to search. Tap or click. Export or save to start the conversion. Keep WPS Writer open and avoid minimizing or closing the app while it works. Conversion time depends on the size and complexity of your document. Long files with many images may take a bit longer. Wait for the process to finish. You may see a progress bar or a brief notification when the export completes. Once it's done, navigate to the folder you chose and open the PDF. Finally, review the saved PDF to confirm everything looks correct. Scan through a few pages, check that images, fonts, and spacing match your original, and confirm the page order is right. If anything seems off, return to your document, make the adjustment, and export again. That's it. You've saved your WPS Writer document as a PDF quickly and cleanly, ready to share, print, or